Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Stephanie if you're new. So I just completed an order from Samsung and I got my new phone. I did get some accessories and one of them was, of course, as you're seeing, the Galaxy Buds Buds 2 Pro. And I thought we'd do a quick unboxing. I decided to get the purple color because I was concerned I would lose either the white or the black ones. So this is the box. This is how it looks. This is how it comes. I have, of course, covered up the pertinent information on this particular pair, but now this is how they came. I'm going to spin it around for you guys. I'm sorry, I probably just made everybody sick. This did come kind of with a little paperish type wrap on it. I have had these out and paired them with my phone. This is the charging case. As you can see, it says Samsung on it. There's your USB-C charging. There's the bottom. Pretty easy. They open right up. You can see this is how they look. Now I have paired these already with my phone. Here's how it looks. There's the top. So you just pop them out. This is what they look like. So they are labeled. This one, if you can see, has an R. This goes in the right ear. This one will have the L, goes in your left ear. They come with these standard sized ear plug thingies, whatever you want to call them. So you close it, it's telling you they're green, then they shut off. So it does come with a charging cable. Now, if you're not careful and you don't realize it, there is an extra set of those little ear cover things to help you with your fit. Now, when you pair these with your phone and you go in, there is a way that this will check the fit for you. It'll go through a test to figure out whether or not these fit properly in your ears. If not, you can pull these out and change out those ear covers. There we go. That's what they look like. So I ran the fit test on these and they did not fit in my ear very well. So I do need to pull these out and try these to see if the fit test works a little better with this pair. So you do get the USB-C. It is USB-C to USB-C, if you can see that. So that's really nice to get another cable. That's pretty much it. And look, you guys, this does not come out of the box. So you can't pull this out to check anything out unless you want to destroy the box. So like I said, I did not get the purple phone. I wasn't sure I wanted a phone this color. I chose these purple because I was afraid that I would lose these if they were either white or black. They would just blend into the surroundings too much. So I was hoping that this color would stand out a little bit, differentiate them from, you know, dark ground or white snow if I were to drop them. But again, this is the box, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I've paired them. I ran a test. That's it. I cannot speak to the quality at this point. I haven't had a chance to really sit down and use them. But be aware, this is one thing that people don't realize because it is tucked into this charging cable and it is literally right in the middle. They were kind of stuck in the middle here. And honestly, if I would have not really looked hard, I probably wouldn't have even known these were in there. They were really hidden. So if you're looking for the extra pair of these to get the fit on your buds proper, make sure you really pull this out and take a look. All right, well, I appreciate your time, everybody. Let me know what you think. I'm really excited to try these. I definitely will be using these a lot. So right now, the current pair of earphones I'm using is a big over-the-head headset, and I really want to get back down to small and wireless. So have a great time and a great day and a great rest of your winter and happy spring to you all. Let me know if you have a set of these and how they work for you. I'd love to hear it. So have a great one, guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.